Welcome, here I've got ASUS ROG Phone 3 and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. The volume buttons are here at this device, so let me try to use them now to see how it works with the camera. And as you can see now, by tapping on them I can easily take a picture. To change that function, let's go to the left corner to this button. By tapping on it we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's just simply slide a little bit to the other category, and here we have set volume key as option. When we tap on it we can decide if we want to use volume keys as shutter, which is now, or zoom. So let me change this to zoom to show you how it works different. Let's go back to the camera. And now let me try to use these buttons once again. And as you can see, now I can get closer to my subject and also go back, so I can use zoom by tapping on the volume keys here. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.